Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? Let's see. Let's try the box. Someone's perception of you has little to do with you. Be mindful of this. Don't look through the eyes of others. Look through your eyes. It's time. Relationships of any type should not deplete you. Do you agree? You'd be surprised how many problems disappear when you just focus on minding your own business. "95% of your serotonin is made in your gut. What's going on in your gut is going to affect your mood, anxiety, depression, and focus. When you connect with people who are good for your soul, you feel it. Don't forget to acknowledge how great it is to be around someone who lights you up. Tell them, even if you feel a little weird. Your people love your weirdness." All right, and today's cards that we will be getting, let's see. Number 42, world peace and cooperation. Choose harmlessness and teamwork. And any clarifying cards today? Crystal of clarity. Illuminate your path with openness and insight. Ready in yourself for a newfound understanding of content. Seek clarity, embrace honesty, face consequences, and sharpen your focus for personal growth. And the last card for today. Vulnerability. What are you really feeling? All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.